Arizona, here we go. It's your boy. Here we are, BNA Airport. Back at you with it again. We're going around Phoenix real quick. Just an adventure. But I'll let you guys know what we're about to. This is a little sneak preview, okay? Like, subscribe, hit the like button. We're about to. Arizona, here we go.
The new DQ All-Star Summer Blizzard Lunch.
We're here.
What's up, guys? So we're back at it here. It's your boy, Fabiwiththevloggy. We're just out here in Arizona. I just landed. We're about to get this vacation going. But always like, subscribe, give notifications, turn it on. All you gotta do is just a little tap. Help the algorithm. Thank you.
Others might, but T-Mobile has no price hike.
Like a movie that was black and white. I'm getting dizzy looking in your eyes. And what's the use in keeping track?
Alright, what's up, you guys? It's Fabiwiththevloggy, aka Mr. Pipe Your Guts. Just got done with the Antelope Canyon. Oh man, what can I say, you guys? An experience like no other. Right across those mountains. It's hard for you to see this right now, but there's some stuff over those mountains, even though you might not believe it. Horrible drive. I'm not a driver, but hey, it was worth it.
What's up, y'all? It's day 2 in Arizona. We're just pulling up to the hole in the rock. Gonna catch a little sunset,
That's right.
So we out here at the hole in the rock. Back at it again. Mr. Eat Your Ass.
Shut your mouth.
You feel what I'm saying? We out here. Oh, no?
No.
Okay, look at this.
You can be the moon, I can be the in circles with you.
Like a bird with open wings, I can do anything. Like a kite without a string, I can do anything. I'm not ever coming down. I'm going up, up in the air. I'm walking on gold rays. I'm going up to the clouds. I'm walking on gold rays. I'm walking on gold I'm walking on gold
Last day, y'all. What a crazy trip. You know, it's your boy back at it again. Fabi with the Vloggy. Last day here in Arizona. What a trip, man. What can I say, you guys? Hell of an experience, you know. And yeah.
It was really good. We had a good
Alright, y'all. So, end of the last trip. See y'all next time. Got a plane to catch. This is it.
back to Cashville.
This is the end.
Okay, that was a